Alright, this came in today, and I'm very happy. Let's get it open. If I can talk today, let's get this thing open, shall we? So this is another eBay purchase, except I actually didn't find this one. A friend from YouTube by the name of Gopernopper's Trains actually helped me get this one. Sorry if you can't see anything right now. But yeah. We'll see how this turns out. Sorry for the slight cut. Bit tough opening a box like that. I guess it was one box on top of another, or one box inside of another, if that made any sense. I don't think it did. Sorry if I confused you, but hey, it is what it is. Oh snap, I need to tape again. It's right here. It's just right there. I don't need to tape again, I need a knife again. Hey, alright. If I can be careful to not damage the box. There we go. Well then. Stuck under a bridge of tape. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Probably didn't, but oh well. Alright. It is in here. I've been wanting this engine for so long. And I finally have it. I just at least hope the seller says it's brand new. I do hope so. Alright. Can I at least? Yes, I can. M619 or V619. What? V619. I don't know. Anyways. Get the bubble wrap out of the way. Look at that. Central New Jersey Railroad 831. You all know what this is. Here it comes. Holy crap. Oh. Well, here it is. I knew something was off. The boiler front's missing. Yeah, he said it was brand new. I don't think it is. I knew something was off. Well then. Well, here's the tender. Yeah, there's no way it's brand new. Piece broke off. Well then. Well, I have to say, I actually did take a minute to calm down a little bit, and sure enough, it's much worse than just the boiler front missing. There's these little markings on the top of the boiler here. There's one on top. There's one on top of the boiler front. The grab iron is missing. I think the step came off. Yeah, the step came off beside the snowplow, or cow catcher if you call it. I have the piece right here. That was supposed to go on the other side, just there. So, I really hate to send this engine back because this thing is just so damn hard to find now. But what choice do I have, really? I don't think this is really worth keeping. Even though I did buy some Blue Comet coaches for it, especially the hard to find observation car. But I guess I might just have to wait until another one pops up. But I will give this thing a run just to see if it at least moves, even if the valve gear or side rods don't even look great. But, excuse me, we'll give it a try. And you guys need to bear in mind, the previous owner did say it was brand new. But, yeah, brand new my foot. Yeah, unlike that Hiawatha, I've never seen anything like this. Yeah. Well, let's see if it at least moves. Let me get the camera in a good position. Right, there it is. If it had that boiler front, I probably would have had a better chance of keeping it, but since this is worse as it is, I doubt I will. See if this thing at least runs. Okay, the controller's at 55. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, you're joking. I had to get a tripod to at least let you see it. I know I have to switch controllers, so don't put that in the comments. But I bought one with a light just so it can give me some feedback. And watch really closely with this light while I move the engine. Or, see, it just dimmed. I can see the rods moving, but it's shorted. I probably shouldn't be doing that for long. Yeah, that's the video of the Blue Comet. I'm sorry if this video isn't as what I thought it would be, but yeah, I'm just gonna send this thing back. I really do not want to deal with this, and I hate to do it because, for one, this thing is so hard to find now. I've always wanted a Blue Comet, and now it has come to this, so it looks like I might have to wait until another one pops up, but who knows when that will be. So, oh god, I seriously cannot believe this.